Namaste friend, today's question: why do birds fly away when I come near? Answer: how nice to would be if the bird did not fly away when you came near. If you could touch them, be friendly with them, how lovely it would be. But you see, we humans beings are cruel peoples. We kill two birds, torture them, we catch them in net and put them in a cages. Think of a lovely parrot in a cage. Every evening it call to its mate and see the other birds flying across the open sky. When we do all these things to the bird, do you think they will not be frightened when we come near them? But if you sit quietly in an isolated spot and are very still, really gentle, you will soon find that the bird come to the you. They oh hover quite close and you can observe their alert movement, their delicate cloth, the extraordinary strength and beauty of their feathers. But to do that, you must have immense patience, which means you must have a great deal of love, and also there must be no fear. Animals seem to sense fear in us, and they in turn get frightened and run away. That is why it is very important to understand oneself. You try sitting very still under a tree, but not just for 2 or 3 minutes, because the birds on get used to you in so short a time. Go and sit quietly under the same tree every day, and you will soon begin to be aware that everything around you is living. You will see the blades of grass sparkling in the sunshine, the activity of the little birds, the extraordinary scene of a snake or a kite flying high in the skies, enjoy of breezes without a movement of its wings. But to see all this and to feel the joy of it, you must have real quietness inside you. Thank you.